In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily create dynamic captions in Filmora Mobile. First step, open up the Filmora mobile app and click on the caption button. Right here, select the clip that you want to add dynamic captions to and click on the import button.
When you get stitches, a doctor threads a needle.
Next step, select the language of your video to which you want to add captions and click on the blue button to save your settings. Here you see different captions for you to try out. I am gonna pick one and click on the Project Edit button. Right here, you can make some changes to the captions, like changing the font, size, positioning, and template. For this video, I will change just the position of the caption. Let's preview the video.
When you get stitches, a doctor threads a needle through your wound and pulls it tight to close the skin. As the stitches hold the edges together, the wound becomes inflamed as new cells begin to repair the tissue. Afterwards, connective tissues and collagens start to create skin. Then, blood vessels form to nourish these developing tissues, filling in the area. And over a few weeks, the wound will have healed together and the stitches are...
If are satisfied with the captions, click on the Export button. Choose your video resolution, frame rate, and settings, and click on Export. And that is it. If you found the video helpful, please smash the like and subscribe button for more tutorials. See you all in the next video.